A bare infinitive is the base form of a verb without the word to. It is used after modal verbs like can, must, and will. Examples include can go, must do, and will come. The bare infinitive is the base verb without to. It follows modal verbs such as can, must, and will. For example, in the phrase can go is the bare infinitive. The bare infinitive does not have to or any endings. Modal verbs are words like can, could, must, should, will, and may. They are always followed by the bare infinitive, which means the base verb without to. The modal verb shows ability, obligation, or future intention. Use modals like can, could, may, and might to talk about ability and possibility. For example, you can speak English or they might arrive late. These modal verbs are followed by the base form of the verb without to. Modals like must, should, ought to, and need to express obligation or advice. For example, you must finish your homework or we should help friends. After these modals, the bare infinitive or base verb form is used. Modals such as will and shall express future actions or intentions. For example, I will call you later or we shall overcome challenges. These modals are followed by the bare infinitive. Sometimes phrases like is going to or plan to also show future intentions. After a modal verb, always use the base form of the verb without to. Do not add s for third-person singular. For negatives, place not after the modal verb. Questions start with the modal verb followed by the subject and base verb. Practice using modal verbs with the bare infinitive. Fill in blanks with correct modals like can, must, or should. Examples include you must study every day and he can swim well. This practice helps you use these forms correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.